Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unfold Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to find your laptop generation, your speed, and etc. So first, go to your settings. Okay, now click on System, then go all the way down, click on this eye icon, About, and then you can see that you have the device specifications and your Windows specifications. So the first thing, device specifications, your device name, this weird name, and then the processor, Intel Core i5 9300H, and i5 is like the generation year, Intel Core like i5, i7, i3, and this 9, the first number there, it's the generation, your i5 9th gen series H, and this H, this alphabet, the capital alphabet at the end, H is like the series, the many series like U series. Okay, so i5 9300H, and the installed RAM 8 GB. Okay, so you can rename your PC there. You click on it, and then you want your new name, type it and click next. It restarts your computer, and there you go. And your Windows specifications. So your Windows specifications, so edition is Windows 10 Home, version is 2004, and this all weird stuff. Installed on build, experience. So we can close this, refresh. Okay, so now go on your taskbar, then right click on your taskbar, then click on Task Manager, then click on Performance at the top, and then you click on CPU, and then you can see that your speed and the utilization, and this, can you see this 2.4 gigahertz? That's like the base speed, 4 cores, 1 sockets, and then go down, and then you can see your GPU. My GPU is Intel UHD Graphics 360. These are like the graphics cards, and the second GPU is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050, and yeah, these are your graphics cards, your GPUs, and you can see your memory utilization here, your Wi-Fi, and yeah, you can close that. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and share it to your friends if they need it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.